Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Becancour local and long-distance movers near me. Do you need to find and hire the best cheap Becancour moving company possible? 3 Movers offers a team of movers you can count on for your local or long-distance moving needs. We know how to make your moving super easy. Our team can help you move your furniture, business equipment, household goods, piano, fragile items, and so much more. If you're ready to handle your long-distance move, we offer the following options to make it super easy: packing services, moving supplies, on-time move, and upfront pricing. You can make a relocation of 100 miles away or further easier with our long-distance moving services. Our team knows how to streamline the entire process to save you time and energy on your move. A Canada moving company gives you the local movers you need to make the job easier. While the distance might be shorter, the job is still rather large. With the right movers, you can avoid all the hard work of a local move. 3 Movers offers a team of professional movers ready to make your local move simple. We know how to speed up the process and use an efficient plan to move you quicker to your new location. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Becancour moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.